2011 Kia sound engine size 250. How to display the EVAP push valve location. When your car you check the scan the code PO17G and you need to change push valve. Time you remove the air filter. Check the hole. Location the push valve. This one. You take off the connect. And remove the bowl. Stop the tank. Remove the push valve. The gland here. Over push valve. New push valve. Part number push valve. And install push valve, take off. Hit it out. New. And install this one. Put the valve here. And connect. And tightening the bolt here. And put the air filter. Put the hole in. Thank you watching video. If you like to subscribe for me, thank you. Next time I put video, I'm appreciate when you subscribe for me. Thank you.